So last time I showed you how to use this new probe and applicator just alone with the health integrator. Basically you plug in the laser plug here, you plug the magnetic applicator here, and the tense electric stimulation here. If you put it in channel 1 or channel 2, it really doesn't matter as long as you do not add the the bioresonance unit, because here only on channel 2 you can mix any other signal that you enter with the source in channel from the bioresonance unit. So you can mix eigenfrequency of the client and any frequency from the core system or any other frequency generator that you have. Just with this knob here you can between 100% just external generator to 100% feedback just from the client, regulated in any proportion. And so this is really what I showed in the last time. You just need the health integrator to do electromagnetic stimulation for acupuncture or any point application, and this for the first time you can do with one applicator, both with laser light, with tense electrodes, and with the magnetic coil generator that's built into this. So that's a unique thing. But now you can even combine it with the bioresonance system. Imagine, we all know acupuncture, all the acupuncture lines are basically communication lines of the body. So there's a line for the kidneys, there's a line for the stomach, there's a line from the heart, and each one carries the information of this specific part of the body or this specific organ. Now imagine you have like different communication lines, and you have now with this the possibility to listen into the different communication lines point by point. If you have a little bit information about acupuncture, or you use just a book, you can see here you have the stomach, here you have the kidney, here you have the, and so on, point. And I can show you now, when you go on this point, you read the frequencies there and amplify them with the bioresonance laser and the integrator, and feed them back exactly at this point as electricity, as magnetism, as light. And then I can show you this here again. You have to have, the only difference is that you have to have one connection here on the body field, and this you connect with either the foot plate or with any other applicator that you have in any other part of the body. And then look at this, you tap any point of the body, and look at this. I just connect to this point of the body, and this point of the body generates its own signal to drive this stimulator, both electric, light and magnetism. So what you see here, the signal that's being generated is not some random signal. It is the signal from your body. It's just amplified. Here. See, it depends really if I meet the right acupuncture point, that I have enough signal here. You know, at this point it's difficult to show, and and do it on your own. So that's why I have my niece Isabella, and she can sit here and I can show what you can do. So the client puts the feet here, and then you can use either, for example, on the end points of, see, it makes also a sound when you, maybe you can hear it. It's a little low for this video, but you meet the acupuncture point, and then you can also see over here. Then we make a contact, and what you see here, the signal, is just the signal of the person himself. It's not some external signal generated, it's the electromagnetic frequencies of the body himself, and what you do, you feed it back as electricity, magnetism or light. So different points, you will see different intensity, and the special interesting points are like this, for example, when you have like a semiconductor point where it's like not stable. See, then you have this modulation effect. Another thing that I saw is very useful if you do it here on the back. So then of course have to change it. Every vertebra is a different point, different system, and you can go vertebra by vertebra and do a stimulation or go by a chart, and you will see this is really like connecting to a telephone system, connecting these different points to the different organs. So you see I'm sweating a little bit because here we have over 40 degrees today in Brazil. So just one moment. So like let's hold here again. See, here is this magnetic field, and it's dependent. If I find the point exactly, then you have a very strong effect. Here, for example, here. I meet the point exactly, so we have a very strong magnetic field being generated. And not only is this a way to get an indication, but actually to use the frequency of the patient himself for treatment with electricity, laser light and magnetism.